Now I want to discuss what I titled the house girl stroke house boy versus the wicked rich man. How you go dey inside house, you dey fry chicken, everybody dey the order of the chicken dey worry your house girl. Your house girl sef go sit down for inside your table, your chef for inside parlour. You dey come, you dey conk house girl. House girl go dey begin to dey go bait your daughter wey don get soko breast. Na still human being still born am o. The way we are treating the way some of our rich men are treating the house girls, some of the money wey we dey even dey get, some of the money that we make from the companies and wherever we are working they are stolen money. After stealing the money, instead of you go still use the money to take help the less privileged one, your house help. They go see dey inflict pains on the house help. Inflict pains on the security guards, and the life of your life and the life of your entire family belongs to this security and the house help. If I don't talk, they say the optimistic man don't start again. Optimistic man don't start again, and that is the truth. That is the truth. Your house help and your house girl supposed to be well taken care of. I bet that is why most of the time they do collect their husband from them. Some of the wives, they are demon for themselves. Some of the husband, they are all equal demon. Why some of the husband, they are good? Why the wife is wicked? At times the wife is good, the husband will be wicked. Oh, you mean wetin they do say no good? Wetin they do say no good? Wicked rich men. The way they treat their house girl, only they go wash plates, only they go sweep house, only go wash motor. You go send a message, go and buy something, so my, you not quick come again on a conk. At the end of the day, but God get pity o. Otherwise, at the end, those house girls wey you dey conk, those security guard wey you dey conk, na dem again now you go see carry your big Bible dey give. Make they carry go church, make all of una go church. They go you go dey do introduction for church. They go dey ask you, who are they children? These three, they are my children, but this one is my housemate. Only because the way you distinguish the housemate from your children is very clear. Your children are well dressed, while the housemate is dirty, is wearing rags. It's not supposed to be so. Your house help, you're supposed to take care of her. Now you might be nicely born now. After they go say optimistic man don't start, optimistic man don't start. No go start. Optimistic man don't start again. The security guard wey you dey oppress, so wey you dey feel say you dey oppress, so na the same security guard na dey guide your life, na dey guide you when you and your children dey sleep inside house. If you get bad belle for you, no say that security guard go fit plan, go let them come kill you inside your house. Your life is in the hands of God, we agree, but the security guard have a role to play in your life. They're supposed to be well taken care of. The way we know they take care of our security is bad. We dey maltreat them. You go to the overseas, people proud to become security guards. They proud to become security guard in the overseas, in the international world. That is why they bring out this video. That is why they speak out. That is why they bring out this video. That is why they speak out. After they say, optimistic man don't start, optimistic man don't start. Optimistic man don't start, optimistic man don't start. The security guard and the house help supposed to be well taken care of. They're supposed to take care of them. Now be saying security man, your house help. Somebody go say, hey, don't just imagine. My driver is eating on my dining table. Wait till you do the dining table. Even go to do your dining table. Not be human being go sit down for inside. After they go say, optimistic man don't start, optimistic man don't start. It is not fair. We should treat our house help, we should treat our security guard as give them utmost respect. Now human being still born them. As you dey sleep, they guide you. Now human being still born them. 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. you go see say they don wake as help. Get up, go wash the plate. Did it that. Your daughter wey breast don big soko. You say me they still come back far. To give her better food, no give her better food sure. Some of them go even dey wear rags, they wear slippers, they dey waka. It's not fair after they say optimistic man don't start. That is the truth. That is the truth. When I take example for that DGO, take example from TB Joshua and his team. The way they help the poor, the way they help the less privileged ones. We should emulate such people. Our daddy Emefiele, the ROCCG Cathedral Warri, they should take example for him. The way they help the poor, the way they help the orphanage, the way they help the widowers. Now every week, no week when they give people food. I beg you, carry go too much. When you go in house, when you see, you no fit distinguish between the house help and the children. But some people when you dey answer, everybody the children. They say I see my children here. This one na house help. It's not fair. It's not done anywhere. Make we dey take care of our security guard. Make we dey take care of our house help. The house help, na human being still bonded. Na human being still bonded. Not be say they fly up for heaven. And the same human being still bonded. That is why they put on this video. Make the world see am. Make the world know say wetin they do is not good. Okwakpeji viayin. Na same human being still bonded. The blood wey you take burn your life, so that one take burn your own. You understand? Well, you understand it now? That is the role of the ass help. You understand that? That is the role of the ass. The ass help. They read the help. They help the system. They provide ultimate workforce to their master. They behave well, but I don't know why. When most of the people they suppress their ass. If you see ass help, you will not say they die.